One and only advanced deep boss and a big up chef life, you know. On TikTok and on Instagram, same way too. You know, I know we're going on personal chef and catering, the best food, you know. Remember me tell you that, you know. Yes man, deep boss endorse.
Oh my God! Welcome to another episode of Personal Chef Service. I don't know, say what the phone location again. Don't be breakfast this morning if you never check out the live, check out the live. Yeah, how to cook Jamaican breakfast. Oh my God! One chef life. They don't know, say I cook some home rice and peas and some Escovish. Yeah, I'm sure now. Yeah, so you don't know. Cook some home rice and peas. It's nice. Yeah, I'll be cooking on fire and I'll turn on Escovish sauce or what they say. I'll chicken and stuff. And I'll turn on the rice. Oh my. One chef life. Yeah, my feet. Yeah, so the back at it again. I don't know, say I will always partition. Yeah. The always out of it. Oh my God. One thing I don't have to put don't play with it. Let it put in. That's on the right there. That's a good look, right? I know it's a good look. No. Yeah, I'm feeling some know it's a good look, okay? So, cook some gungo rice and feed some Escovish, some dry chicken and some island. Oh my God! Yeah, so now I have to tell a friend about this Personal Chef Service, right? Yay! Yeah, that is it. Alright, so we're done now. Finish, right?
So, we're there so tonight guys. I'm about to go live on the YouTube in a bit. But me and Rasta rush the thing. Me and Team Chef Life, JA guys, make sure you go up to the channels, please like, share and subscribe to this thing. With the cook up. No, it's not 8 o'clock already. They are smile at 7:45. Me have about 15 minutes to go up on my live and then people are wonder why me I try to go up on my live and I do a cook up at the same time. But we have to go finesse the thing because you don't know. We have to make sure few viewers them get the best of the best though. True. We love the viewers them. True. So please like, share and subscribe to the thing. Please go up to Team Jamaica Chef Life peoples. Like, share and subscribe. Tonight we're preparing some festivals tonight guys. And we do some Escovish fish tonight. We have wholly more fish here so still. So I'm gonna take them out of the plastic bag and drop them I think. Stay tuned, give it a second.
Alright guys, so when Team Chef Life is here guys and we're putting in some work. We're here at the Airbnb. We have our guests over there. My family still. I'm sitting here editing as well as doing other things. And yes sir, we're using our Jamaican shore fishing cutting board today guys. I want you guys to see this. And we should make the Team Chef Life cutting board too, you know, because I know Jamaican shore fish alone because this man a chef and he have to have me personal cutting board. You know what I'm saying? So we have a vegetable and things set up, where we are cut up and we have these beautiful fish. We want an Escovish tonight guys, look at this. Parrot fish, look at the size of these fish guys. Snapper and all of this stuff. So we're gonna get busy tonight. We're gonna do a thing. You hear my people? Right. So, what is it? Right. Oh my God! That is it.
One Chef Life.
One Chef Life guys. Make sure you tune into the channels. Please like, share and subscribe and watch the ads.
That's it.
Yeah.
Make sure it's an audience.
Yeah man, that is it. Yeah.
Yeah, the phone battery are dead. But the next time I need to put camera in the bag. Show me how to see them.
Hey guys, on Team Chef Life, I prepared the Escovish first before we get everything else ready. The fish we already got it and scaled and clean.
Yes,
it's ready.
Everything.
Yeah, so we're prepping everything now beforehand. I'm running late. I'm on 7 minutes out.
7 minutes.
So, yeah. So I'm gonna go live in a bit guys, so stay tuned for that guys. We actually gonna get this on recording. We're not gonna play. I'm gonna actually have Laurie record the rest of this cooking video while I go do my live. So stay tuned. We're probably going to turn the live around on this too. Let everybody know that we're live. We're doing some cooking. We're actually filming at the moment, and just keep it live on the filming straight. So guys, so stay tuned to Making Sure Fishing. We are out here. It's about content making for you guys and experiencing what it is. Cook with Team Chef Life. We're here. We got Lando here, North Carolina, and my cousin. Also over there, both my cousins, Zana, and I got my cousin over there also, guys, and it's like my brain is shot. It's been on the road all day, so stay tuned. About to get this bit. Alright guys, outside. Don't worry about it. Just keep it moving. Oh god. So good. Oh my god. That's what's up. Channels are recommended in school, cooking projects, and projects. Shall email join the chat room. This is about subscribers. We'll try to get more guys to this promotion. 59 videos, 19,107 views. Join April 6th.
Say Jackfish, Jamaican shortfish. Or they were Jamaican shortfish. Chilling on the live stream. Team Chef Life, man. I start to put some jokes and do the right thing. Oh my god. So I put some nice food right now. Oh my god. He said, well, grandpa, what that one?
Yeah, guys, look at this.
Fish big.
The fish.
I want to do it like one. Not to fry them one.
The fish too big, guys. Them a jumbo type pot. So yeah, to get that brown. So we have to do 1-1. So that took over time, guys. So we have to take time. Team Chef Live there. You know, so everybody over there so cry raw till all in tomato trips. And dumpling them ready. Them put up. Them must in the microwave. See that? Floor them ready up. Outside, guys. Alright, guys, this is what's up.
Oh my god.
This is the finishing part to Team Chef Life. Look at this. And look here, guys. The platinums and everything up. We're still frying fish, guys. So yeah, people are hungry. Could be late. We're trying to get this sorted out so we can get this on the table. This is what's up. No, that's good. This is what's up, guys. You're Making Sure Fishing. We are out here, Team Chef Life.
Oh my god.
That is it. Where is it? Oh my god. That is it.